Hey friends, in this new video, we'll begin to this our video where I'm going to be working with you, showing you how you can actually set up your profile picture. Remember, you may be seeing some profile picture under our job seekers. When you go under job seekers, you may be seeing someone like this guy here. See, these people don't have. See, there's someone has uploaded a profile picture. How can you set your profile picture in post KAZI? Now remember that some good accounts have got good profile pictures. They have profile pictures in their accounts. You get, which I think it is something very, very important for someone like you outside there having up a profile picture. So without wasting much of your time, let me just try to make you be different from others because you never know. One person might be interested outside there to see your account, with a profile picture. Now I'm not going to use a real photo. I'm just going to pick some demo photo and I show you this time around on how to have that uploaded. Now remember, there's just on your account here. You cannot see your profile, but when you go to dashboard, when you click to dashboard here, you should be seeing profile is somewhere here. You should be seeing profile is down here. So just click there. Okay. So when you click there, you'll be seeing setting up some of the things that you want to do. For example, this gentleman has not yet add your profession. He has not added up yet a profession. It implies that when you go to postcards here, just try to show you something, and you go under job seekers, under job seekers here, you get, and maybe you try to cross check, you realize some of these people have not put their professions. You get, like for this guy is a software a full stack developer, this guy has not added, this guy is because they don't know, they haven't known yet how to add their profile, like how they set a profile. So trust me ever much, like this guy knows what to do web development and hosting. So let's solve this at once. How do you set up a profile? To do that, first of all, let's start with the first thing first. So you see here, this guy said web development and hosting. So you just come in here, click there, and try to type what you want to give in. Update your profile. Maybe this guy is a software developer. So you're given a chance to type what you feel like you want to give in. And when you tap there, definitely, I think you can see now this guy is a software developer. And everyone else should be in a position to see that in the account. And by default, being a country in Uganda is having by default a setting of the price on amount of money, like how much money the person is going to be depositing to, maybe work per hour, maybe per day. We just try to select here. Maybe the currency, you select maybe, you can as well change your currency. That's the option I will say here. You can change your currency. I may just leave my currency to UGX, like so. And then I set my hourly rate, like every hour I want maybe 10,000 per hour. Okay, maybe every hour I want maybe 5,000 per hour or 50,000 per hour. Okay, because I'm a software developer. Let me just say every hour I want 10,000. Okay, 10,000 Uganda shillings per hour. That's what I work for. Maybe I'll say that, or maybe it's up to you. Set what you feel like you want. This is the demo account for my side. So when I click there, definitely my account will be set and my hour rate will be stationed or set as well on my account. And you can see I'm working for 10,000 Uganda shillings per hour. You get? Now, we also have other things, as you can see down here. When someone now tried to look onto my account, but check onto my account, definitely there's a chance that person is going to realize and learn to know that this guy is blah blah blah, and that's something very, very good for us. So let me just try to say this is my account, and let me just try to add something like just a profile photo. So I click there now. I go here. So this would be a nice photo, but remember it is of HTML doc, so to not be saved, I didn't put that in the system. So let me just try to pick this JPEG. I click here. So you can as well reduce the photo size to match the size you want to give. Just like you can see, they have got some nice kind of reflect on that. So you just try to click here, upload. It will take some few seconds, and then definitely the photo should be uploaded into the system.